Shri Sai Ram. My most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan. I am Geetika Sharma and I have been associated with inclusive education since 2023. Being a part of Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini is both an honor and a privilege. There are many ways of cognitive understanding. We need to learn how to transform our challenges into growth opportunities by neurodiversity and neuroplasticity. And that is going to be the key feature of the Global Education Summit. I have registered for it as it promises to offer a vast horizon of opportunities for our kids with inclusion as the key tool in shaping our kids' future. Thank you, Sai Ram.